All right, hello everybody. Pack a day back again. First off, I just want to thank everybody that subscribed last night. That was so much fun just seeing all those subscriptions pop up. I truly appreciate everyone that took the time to subscribe to my channel. As of right now, I'm sitting at 60, so that is pretty awesome. So today I thought we'd open a pack of 2019 Topps Tribute. So let's see what we got. All right, first up, got an Anthony Rizzo base. This is a quick rip because only 3 cards in a pack. Let's see, the other base card is Andrew Benintendi. And our hit is upside down. No, it's not. Backwards. All right, what do we got? Looks like a Cubby. Oh, pretty sure that's Rizzo. Yep, Anthony Rizzo, stamp of approval. Relic. Number 42 of 150. Not too bad. I love Topps Tribute. Always like getting this set every year. All right, well, thanks again for all the subscriptions. I really appreciate that. I put out a new video every single day, so thank you very much. Take care.